Hello friends, welcome back to another session of Docker. So in our last session we are done with interacting with container. We have seen how we can create a container, how we can enter into the running container, how we can create a what is the operation that is performed by your run command, and how to run in detached mode, how to run in interactive mode. So all those points we have seen in our last session. So in this session what we will do, we will modify the container and create a new image from the container. As we have already discussed in our introduction part, that image container docker image is a read only template. You cannot do any modification, you cannot do any changes in the docker image, but you can do the changes in container, and from container you can create image, so that image will be modified. You have to do like that. So we are doing, we are creating one image, we are creating one container from, and we are and that container we are modifying, and that modified container we are trying to save into a new image. Okay, so first what I am seeing, I am just checking how many containers are there. So remove all the containers. Docker remove this container, copy it, paste. Okay, I think it is running, that's why you cannot do. So what you can do it forcefully. Yes, now there is no container, and how many images are there? So 2 images are there. One is Ubuntu, another one is a Tomcat. You can keep this image, no issue. You don't need to delete any image you can keep. So I am going to create one container from, so cd docker run, image name Ubuntu 22.04, and I want to be in a detached mode so that I can modify, because otherwise what directly will happen, I cannot modify this one, I can't modify in that one. Okay, so I am running container in detached mode. Oh sorry, already it is in detached mode because there is nothing, but I want to run in attached mode. So how can I do, since there is a container, there is no container, container is there but no running container. So start this container in attached mode, interactive mode, sorry. So docker start interactive mode and give the container ID, paste it here. Okay, with start you cannot do, start command just will start, but you cannot do in interactive mode. What I will do, I will just delete this container once, remove this container. Okay, again create a new container, same using this one, and this time give in interactive mode. So now you are there in the container. Now we are inside our container is running now, because we entered into the container in interactive mode. So container is running. I want to modify. What type of modification you want to do? I want to create some file. So currently what is your working directory? Base directory is your working directory. Then go to home. How many are there? ls home directory is there, home is there, yes, home is there. Go to home, under home how many are there? Under home there is nothing, no directory, nothing is there. I am going to create one file here. File is touch my test.txt. There is one file. Now if you see here, one file is there. You want to write some text in this file. Can you write it? Can you write that? Can you write it? So what we are doing here, we are going to home. I am creating a directory. You can create a directory, you can create a file, whatever you want, you can do. Touch hello.txt. You can create hello.txt. VM hello.txt. If EVM is not there, you have to install it, and simply you have to suppose if something I want to write in that file, how can I write? Suppose echo hello world, you have to write that in my test.txt. now cat my text text.txt. It is there. Okay, now two files are created. I think there are two files, my test.txt, and I am creating another file with some content. So is echo welcome to Docker, simply, and I am creating here file hello.txt. that's it. Now here one more file is there, hello.txt. three files are there. One is hello.txt. under hello.txt, what is the content? Welcome to Docker. Under hello.test.txt, this is empty file. My text.txt file has hello world. So you can see that also, cat hello.txt. it is showing what is there in this file. Now this container is modified. I want to create image from this container now. Can you do it? Yes, you can do. Go to another terminal, because this terminal is already running this container. Now here docker psa, this container is running. Yes, it is up and running. I want to create an image. Or you want to stop this container, you can do that also. It is running or it is not running, that doesn't matter. We have to create a image. So how can you do? Create a new image from updated container. I am assuming that you are understanding all these commands. Whatever the commands I am executing here, you all understand, because this, what is this ls means it is listing how many files and folders are there in your current directory. pwd means your present working directory. Is this slash. From that one I am checking how many directories are there in the in this root directory, bin, root, dev, etc, home. These all are the directory structure of operating system, Linux operating system. Under that one home is there. Yes, home is there. So I am going to home directory. There I am applying ls, so there is no file. Then I am creating their touch file, my test.txt file. Then I am creating then I am checking, yeah, file is created. Then I am creating another file, my text.txt. okay, so what I am doing, I am creating one my text.txt file. In that one I am writing hello world. After that one I am printing the my text.txt file. The content I am printing simply using cat command. These are the commands in Linux. Touch is a command that is used to create an empty file. And echo you can use to create a file with content. Whatever the content you are writing here, direct you can put into your file. Cat you can use to show the file. Even using cat command you can edit the files, and we will see that some of the basic commands we will see in our upcoming sessions. What are those commands we will see. Okay, currently you just understand this is the commands that is used to create a file. Okay, so now currently in this container how many files are there? There are 3 files now: hello.txt, mytest.txt, mytext.txt. These 3 files are there. So this container is modified. Now from this modified container I want to create a image. But before to that one, let's close this one, exit. Okay, it's done. And if you see, this is stopped. This is stopped. Okay, now what I will do, I will create another container, run in detached mode. Okay, default it will be detached mode only because there is no server. So I am creating another container. Yes, one container is created. It is up and this is started and stopped only. Okay, so how many containers are there? 2 containers are there. One is this container, this is previously we created, and this is the new container. So is there any file in this container? In the newly created container, is there any file like hello.txt file is there? It's not there. It is not there. How can you see it? I think I should remove this one. Wait. Remove the above one. 8 seconds ago whatever we created, remove it, copy and paste it, remove it. Now there is only one container. Okay, that is modified. Even this container is modified. Okay, clear. Suppose if I create another controller, if I create another container in iterative mode, so it is running. So do you think that file will be there? pwd and here cd.home. so here if you see list, home is there, go to home. So under home there is no file, but in our another container, this container fdc, in this container we have some extra files. We have added some hello.txt, my test.txt files are there, but in this newly created that file is not there because this is created from Ubuntu only, but that is also created from Ubuntu, but we modified that one. So understand the difference. These two are the major, currently these two are the differences. Okay, exit from here. Okay, now both are down. If you see, both are down. Okay, next what I want to do, I want to create the new image from updated container. So you have to use this command. This is the command. So here you have to give the container ID image. I am giving my Ubuntu with the tag, like I am giving version is 22.04 something. That's it. This is the name I am giving for my container. My image name. This is my image name and tag. I am giving. container id you have to give. So simply just copy and come to your terminal, paste here from which container you want to create the image. I want to create the image from modified container. This is my modified container. So copy this and simply paste it here. That's it. Now you have to just press enter. Image is created. Now if you see how many images are there. Images, total 3 images are there now. One is Ubuntu, that is official Ubuntu image we downloaded from Docker Hub. We downloaded from Docker Hub. Tomcat, that is also we downloaded from Docker Hub, but my Ubuntu is not there in Docker Hub. We have created this from our container. And if you create any create any container using this image and you enter into that container and you go to home directory, you will find 3 files because this is modified. Let's do that one. Before do that one, what I will do, okay, we will give the name. We will give the name for that container so that we will understand. So docker run, image name is my Ubuntu 22.04 and I want to give the name. So yeah, I want to create image from this I want to create the container from this image with the name also. I will give the name my container my tech hub, simply tech hub dot container, simple. You can give the name. And I want to enter into interactive mode also. IT, what happened? Okay, no, name is equals to my tech hub container. From this image enter into interactive mode. You can understand this command now. Docker run, that is the command, actual command to create the container from image. Name I am giving for my container, my tech hub container. IT stands for interactive mode. Do in interactive mode. Yes. Now if I will see my working directory. This is okay. How many directories are there? Home is there. Go to home, then see how many files are there. hello.txt, my test.txt, my test.txt files are there. And if you want to print the content of that file, you can do that also. Cat hello.txt, welcome to Docker, one message we have added in this file. And my text.txt, hello world. And the other file, my test.txt, is empty. It's empty. So in this way we can create our image from the container. Whatever the container we modified, from that one we can create a image, and from that image we can again create our container. Okay, fine. Next, okay, we can create this one. See how many images. Yes, we can see this image. Enter into already running container. Okay, that is okay. Stop. Fine. Okay, if we want to save the image in a tar.gz, why this is required? If you want to save the image, suppose currently, if I will show you how many images are there. Exit, see how many images are there. Ubuntu three images are there. Ubuntu and Tomcat we have downloaded from Docker Hub, but my Ubuntu is not there in Docker Hub. It's not there in Docker Hub. I want to save in my operating system directories. How can I do it? I want to save this in a tar.zz file, so that I can share to some other and they can load it. Okay, so that you can do simply using this docker image save. You know what is the use of docker image command? That is used to manage the image. I want to manage this image. Which image I want to manage? I want to save them. So go to here, docker image, save this image. Where you want to save? I want to save somewhere on it. I want to save to my download folder. Currently you understand like that. I want to save in my download folder. So paste this directory under home, tech hub. Under tech hub there is a download, spellings downloads, I think. Yes, downloads. Under downloads, I will give here like .r.gz file extensions you have to give. Image ID and file path. Okay. Save. After that, save what? Image, save image ID and then file path. So .r.gz, copy this, and it should be something my Ubuntu, Ubuntu, my Ubuntu underscore 22.04 .tar.gz. That's it. I want to save here. Save here, but save which image? Which image? My Ubuntu 22.04. So this is your actual command. This is your actual command to save the file, to save the docker image into tar.gz file. Refused to save, terminal, use. Okay, you have to use output file. You have to tell this is your image, this is your image. Then where it should be? It should be into this one. So it is saved. Go and check in download folder. Yes, it's there. If you open, it's there. Lot of some files are there. We will see this later. What is this one? What is this one? We will see it later. So this is, you understand, this is your image now. This is your image, and now okay, so what will do this command? Copy this, paste it here. Okay, these two commands we have done here. Another one, now we have the docker image we have stored in our download folder. From that one I want to load. Why I want to load? Suppose I have deleted this one, this image I don't have now. Total I have these many images. I'm going to delete this my Ubuntu image. Clear first, and I'm going to delete. So docker image, image image, image, remove. Which image you want to remove? Remove by id, or you remove by name also you can do. Copy this, copy and paste. It's okay. No, what happened? Response from demo, no such image. Okay, latest is not there, 22.04 is there. Okay, so it is telling, yeah, one container is there, but still I want to delete. You delete it forcefully. Okay, deleted. And clear this one and go to show how many containers are there. Process status A, how many containers are there? From my, where is that? I think this one. So I'm going to delete this all container I am going to delete. So docker remove, you have to give the container id forcefully or not required forcefully, because all are exited. You can just execute with the commands itself. Sorry, container id, you have to give container id. Copy and paste here, another one, copy this, paste here and copy this and paste here. So both three are deleted, there is no container. And images, if you see how many images are there, total two images are there. Both we have downloaded from Docker Hub only. Now I want to load the Docker image. This is my Docker image, I want to load it, and from this Docker image I want to create the container, and I want to see whether the container will have that files or not. How can I do it? So you have to load it. So simple, Docker image load, managing image, see, managing image, Docker image load. I, input file, I stands for input file, I stands for input file. Where is this input file? Home, under home, tech hub, under tech hub, down DOWN, down LOADS, downloads, under downloads. I think I'm giving the correct path, or let's copy, rather than typing, let's copy, it will be better. Yeah, I think I given the correct one only. Under downloads there is the file. What is the file name? This is the file name. Okay, and paste it. It's loaded. Loaded image. What is image name? My Ubuntu 22.4. It's loaded. Now you see how many images are there. One more image came. From this image you create the container. Now same process, you can enter into interactive mode, you can do everything. Okay, so this is another command that we learned today. Yes, commit, docker commit docker container id, and here you have to give the image name, and then you have to give tag. Okay, then you can save that Docker image, that is used to save the Docker image, and this is to load the image. So we have loaded. After loading, the steps are same. You can create the container. How will you create the container? Docker run which image? Ubuntu 22.04. copy this, Ubuntu 22.04, 4 but run in interactive mode. It is running now. Show me what is your directory. Home is there, so go to home. Under home, files are there. See, so like that we can create image from modified container. This is how we can create an image from modified container. Okay, so simply I will ask some question here. My question number 23 is how to modify the container. How to modify the container? Simply, what will be your answer? Write me in the comment section what it will be. By adding some extra files into any directory such as home, under home, that's it, such as home dot sample sample.txt with some content, some contents like hello world. Simple. With the help of touch, touch sudo touch echo and cat command. That's all we have done. That's only we have done here. Okay. Fine. If you want to give the demo, that also you can give. Suppose touch abc.txt. okay, this is the one. Another one, cat hello.txt, cat hello dot no echo, echo, echo hello world, world, hello world. This is what I think we done, no? Same only. Let me see. Cat hello, echo hello. Yes, correct. Same only we have done. Fine. Or else echo, echo welcome to Docker, and you can give here hi.txt, okay, or sample.txt, whatever the name you want to give, sample.txt you can give. That's it. So in this way you can modify the container. Next, how to create image from modified container, container. Container. How to create image from modified container. So this is the command that you have to use. Docker commit what? Container id and image name and tag you have to give, so it will create image. Okay, next this is your 24th number question, number 24. Okay, next question number 25. How to save the image, how to save the image into file system as .tar.zz. This is the extension in Linux generally. How can you do it? So using this one you can do it. Docker image, save image name. Okay, if you write the syntax, then it will be docker image save, then image name and tag will be there. After that one _o, and here your output file path. That's it. That's only will happen here. Output file path. That's it. And this is the example of below. This is the example only. Okay. Yes. This is the example. Fine. So in this way you can save the image into file system. It's not like that you can save only modified image. No, any image you can save, and you can load any image also. How can you load? Question number 26. How to load the image from file system. How to load? So in this way you can load. You can write the syntax. You can write the syntax also. You have to give here, and after that one you have to give here source or input file path. That's it. You will load downside. This is the example. Okay. So in this way you can modify the container and create image from the container, and you can from image you can again create container. You can do whatever you want. Okay. So this is all in this is all that much is there in this session. In our next session we will see some other commands, and we will continue from here itself. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day.